Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling API services in your game settings and creating an API token. This grants scripted external requests. Once done, store the key securely in a server script service module script or external vault so it never appears in client code. Next, prepare HTTP service in Roblox Studio and set HTTP enabled equals true in Studio settings. This lets your server scripts call web endpoints. Make sure to respect rate limits and use short, clear test endpoints to verify connectivity before building logic on top. You now implement the core request flow on the server. First, create a module script that wraps HTTP service. Add functions for get and post, insert authorization, bearer token and content type headers, and encode request payloads with HTTP service, JSON encode. Once done, make calls from secure server scripts only, never from local scripts, because client exposure leaks keys. Then, parse responses with JSON decode and validate fields. If status codes indicate failure, perform retries with exponential backoff and log errors to trace or data store for diagnosis. You finish by validating the complete flow in a private server environment and confirming the API returns expected payloads. Once done, add error handling paths, graceful degradation when external services fail, and clear user messaging. Make sure to rotate tokens periodically and restrict token scopes to minimize risk. If something goes wrong, check that HTTP service and API services are enabled. Inspect server logs for 401 or 403 authentication errors, and use a local mock endpoint to separate code bugs from network or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.